If you want to instantly improve your image contrast in Gimp, Levels is one of the fastest tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it to make your photo look cleaner, sharper, and more balanced in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Gimp tips and editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open your image in Gimp and go to the top menu. Click Colors, then choose Levels. This opens the Levels adjustment window, and this is where the magic happens. In the center, you'll see a histogram, which shows how your image tones are distributed from shadows to highlights. Under that histogram, you'll notice a few small triangle handles. The outer black triangle controls the darkest parts of the image, and the outer white triangle controls the brightest parts. If your photo looks flat or washed out, you can boost contrast by dragging those outer triangles inward. Move the black triangle closer to where the darkest pixels begin, and move the white triangle closer to where the brightest pixels begin. As you do this, Gimp stretches the tonal range, which instantly adds more contrast and makes the image pop. Be careful not to move them too far, because that can crush the shadows or blow out the highlights. The goal is to improve the image while still keeping detail. As you adjust, watch the preview so you can see the changes in real time. If the image starts looking too harsh, just back off slightly until it feels natural. Once you're happy with the contrast, click OK to apply the adjustment. And that's it. You've just used Levels in Gimp to create instant contrast in a simple, fast, and effective way. This is a great technique for photos, graphics, and almost any image that needs a little extra punch. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gimp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.